So I'm just going to show you how to get into the governor's LCOGS room, which I think is a London-wide governor support network. So you need to navigate to your own building for Fronter. So mine is fronter.com and then /RUT, and yours will be / whatever local authority you are part of. You've probably used Fronter before, or I'm assuming that you've used Fronter before. If you haven't, then you need to speak to the person in the local authority who manages ICT, and they will have a Fronter login for you. And that Fronter login lets you log into your own Fronter building and the things that you're allowed to see in that or maintain in that. So I'm just going to log in with a username and password that has been created just for this demonstration. You log in with whatever username and password your ICT person has given you. So I'm just going to click on login. So your page won't look like this because it's however you've set it up. And one of the things that we need to do is go and find the LCOGS room, which isn't part of your building. So it's part of the Richmond upon Thames building. So you need to find the rooms tab. So it will either say rooms at the top here, or it will have an icon. And within the rooms tab, whatever that looks like, you need to click on display all rooms. Once you've got all of the rooms displayed, this last tag, which is external room invite, is the one you want to select, because what you're doing is you're asking to be a member of an external room, a room which is not part of your own building. So the way this is organised is that you've got the local authorities listed, and then the rooms within that local authority are displayed. So for example, here's Barnet and the geography room here, and if I wanted to join Barnet's geography room, I would need to request access over here. So what you're looking for is you're looking for fronter.com /RUT, which stands for Richmond upon Thames, and you're looking for the LCOGS room underneath that building. Now you'd think this is in alphabetical order, but it isn't. I think it's in the order in which these buildings were created. So instead of Wandsworth, remember you're looking for RUT. So because I am part of Richmond upon Thames, it's not going to show up here as external to my login. So I can't see that, but you can. So just to show you what it appears like here, I'm just going to use another tab, because this is a tab just for the local authority. So this just shows the local authority rooms, and it's this particular tab here. It says LCOGS as part of the room. So let's just show you what the process is. So I'm going to request membership of a particular room. So let's find a nice room which we're going to imagine is the LCOGS room. So I won't travel too far. So here's the Bexley LA ICT area. So I'm going to request access by clicking here. It then comes up and says, okay, well, what do you want to request? And here it's quite a good idea to say, this is the message that will be seen by the person who's going to say, yes, you can come in. So please can I join? And then let them know who you are. So I'm just going to put test user here, because that normally means that they won't let me in. But you put your name there and you just send a request, and then that bit's done. So in the next part, I'm just going to show you what the actual room looks like. So I've just logged into the LCOGS room just to show you what it looks like. So you'll be familiar with this if you've used Fronter in your local authority, or you can ask your ICT person to show you. So you've got a load of resources here which you have access to once you have access to this room. So that's all there is to logging on to LCOGS room from outside of the local authority.